To be sure that you're testing the address bus lines on DDR through the DDR controller, you must have an understanding of the following: DDR protocol and operation. You need to understand how addressing works in DDR memory. When you issue a command to read or write to a particular memory location, certain address lines will be activated. The specific address lines depend on the command and the memory location. 2. DDR controller role. DDR controllers manage the complexity of DDR signaling and operations. When you instruct the controller to access a specific memory address, it translates this into a sequence of DDR commands, including activating the right address lines at the appropriate times. Here's how you ensure you're testing the address bus lines. 1. Incremental addressing. One common way to test the address lines is by incrementing the address with each access, either read or write. This way, each address line gets exercised as the binary representation of the address changes. 2. Single address line test. To verify an individual address line, you can use an approach where you access two memory locations that differ only in the state of the target address line. For example, to check address line A3, you might compare accesses to addresses 0B0000 and 0B1000. Only A3 changes state between these two addresses. Here's how you ensure you're testing the address bus lines. Continued. 6. Documentation. Always consult the datasheets for both the DDR memory and the DDR controller. They provide essential details on the addressing mechanisms, and they will often provide examples or recommended test procedures. In summary, when you're testing the address bus lines on DDR, you're ensuring that every unique address you command the DDR controller to access results in the appropriate unique signals on the address lines. You're looking to ensure that there's no crosstalk, no lines stuck high or low, and that the controller is properly translating memory commands into DDR signals.